Mayor Tumang, do you personally know Willie Ong?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Do you personally know ADT Yang?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
But
Mr. Chairman,
would
with the indulgence of the Honorable Luiso. Mayor Tumang, ganito lang po, I just want to warn you. You're under oath once again in this Quadcom hearing, and please don't lie. I just want to tell you, we have already discussed it in the Committee on Public Accounts. And please answer the query of the members of this committee truthfully, or else I will show you the proof.
Yes po, Your
And
Honor.
if you're lying, I will cite you in contempt once again, Mayor Tumang. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mayor Tumang, you're lying.
Hindi po, Your
Sandali
Honor.
po. Let me finish. Please don't answer. Don't talk unless you are recognized by the chairman. Mayor Tumang, sinabi mo hindi mo kilala personally si Willie Ong at saka si Eddie Yang. Si Eddie Yang, hindi mo kilala?
Nakilala ko po, Your Honor, nung pumunta po sa munisipyo. Nagpakilala po sila, Your Honor.
Sandali, yung sa munisipyo lang ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Yun lang. Oh, now, eto Mayor Tumang, nagsisinungaling ka. Di ba naimbitahan kayo doon? Sa China?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Kasama niyo si Eddie Yang?
Yes po, Your
Oh,
Honor.
now you're telling me that sa munisipyo lang?
Nung
Don't lie. You're lying.
Hindi-
Anong hindi? May mga picture kayo. Road. You were invited and you represent Mexico, Pampanga in that travel with Eddie Yang. And it's Eddie Yang that introduced all of you, and that includes the former governor and the governor to the ambassador.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Oh, ngayon di mo kilala? Mr. Chairman,
Hindi ko lang po.
with that, Mr. Chairman, I have warned you, pasensyahan po tayo. I move to cite in contempt, Mayor Tumang.
Your Honor, can I explain po para makuha niyo po yung point ko?
Sandali po.
Please po, Your Honor.
Sandali po, you're not yet recognized. Mr. Chairman, once again, I move to cite in contempt Mayor Tumang in violation of our Section 11, Paragraph B. Refusal and evading to answer questions of the members of this committee. So move, Mr. Chairman.
Your Honor, can you please give me a chance to explain? Hindi po kasi ano yung exact gusto niyo hindi ko na lang po sinabing once ko lang po nakita namit si Willie Ong. Si Willie Ong po twice sa munisipyo po. Si Eddie Yang po so many times. Pero yung first namit ko po si Willie Ong and Eddie Yang sa munisipyo po. And then, pagkatapos po noon, marami na pong series na nagkita na po kami ni Eddie Yang dahil bumili po sila ng lupa. Hanggang pumunta po kami ng China, in-invite po kami doon. Doon po lang po nakilala si Eddie Yang. Ang pinupunto ko po, hindi ko po personal nakakilala po. Namit ko lang po sila sa munisipyo. Pero so many times po nakilala ko na sina Eddie Yang. Pero si Willie Ong po, twice lang po.
Chairman, ito kasi yung problema. Alam ko na, sinabi ko na kanina, Mayor, pinagdaanan na to natin Dalawang committee, dangerous drugs at saka yung Mexico. Sinabi ko kanina, hindi mo personally kilala. Sabi mo sa munisipyo, now when I ask you, yung China travel, inamin mo. Now, dinagdagan mo ngayon na several times because on record, during the committee hearing, you know personally Eddie Yang and Willie Ong. Mamaya papakita ko sa iyo. Papakita ko sa iyo na magkakilala kayo ni Willie Ong.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Ang style mo kasi, Mayor Tumang, sorry, pero yung style mo bulok. Alam ko na yon. Pag tinanong ko isang tanong, sasagutin mo. Pag tinanong ko isa, sasagutin mo. Better you were asked if you knew personally. That's why pinakontempt kita. Because you lied. Oh, dito sa harap ng mga resource persons. Di ba he's lying? Sabi ko nga, naglulukuhan pa tayo dito. Alam mo, nakabisado na namin to. Nako, Mayor.
Bigyan natin ng ano, ng isa pa
With that, Mr. Chairman, my motion to cite in contempt, I've already cited.
Hindi po ako nagsisinungaling, Your Honor.
Nandito, nakikinig ng mga resource person.
Hindi po ako
I
nagsisinungaling.
challenge resource persons present in today's hearing. Kung totoo ba, nagsinungaling siya o hindi. Alam ko na kasi, Mayor, yung sasagot mo. Ilang beses na po tayo nagkita sa mga hearings. Kaya nga na-contempt ka rin nung nakaraan, di ba?
Yung mga sagot ko po, pare-pares lang po, Your Honor.
Anong parehas? You're lying to your teeth.
Hindi po ako nagsisinungaling, Your Honor.
Mr. Chairman, anyway, sabi niya, still stand, hindi siya nagsisinungaling. Once again, Mr. Chairman, I just like to manifest once again that my motion to cite in contempt, Mayor Tumang, still stands. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
And this was duly seconded.
Hindi po
Are
ako
there-
nagsisinungaling, Your Honor.
Are there any objections?
Point of order. Point of order.